Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we're trying to make a maze game. So in this maze game, we see how to add a character to the game, how to make it move around, and how to create a maze, how to create a backdrop. So this is all we're going to see, guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do, you go into Google, so that's pretty easy to do, and there you type on scratch coding. See what you'll do. I will bring you here, and you click on the first link, the one that says scratchmit.edu. You click on that, and it should load the page for you. So it's about that. Alright guys, now you should be there with easy. So you click on, you go here on the left and you click on start creating. The internet is a bit slow today, so it might take a couple of seconds to load. There you go, we're here, and we click on close, and that should remove the pop-up window there for you. Alright guys, so we're here, pretty easy. Alright guys, so click here, you see costume, that's our cat, so the cat can move around. Alright, the first thing we're going to do, guys, we're trying to make the cat move around. So usually, you need to go to motion. So again, you can go here, I'm gonna put click on, I'm gonna get the instruction called move 10 steps, and I go to events, I click here, and when I click on space, I want the cat to move. Alright. So here is moving right. Alright, I can change that for when I click on the right arrow, you can have the cat move to the right. Alright. This is what we're trying to do. And now I want the cat to move left now. So I'm gonna get the same thing, and I'm gonna click on the left. Go in here, go into motion, and move 10 steps. And I click on left, and when I click on right arrow, it does go to the left. It does go to the right for both of them. So for that, we need to change how it goes. So for that, we need to click. We need to choose another instruction. I mean, and if I'm correct, let me find it for you guys. Point in direction. This one, we click here, and we put it here. Alright. So you see when I click on the left, it goes to the left. And when I click on the right too. So we need to make some changes. Alright, to do that, guys, we need to go to here and click on set rotation style. And you should click on left and right. Alright, we should do the same thing here and here. Alright, duplicate. And to go to the right, we need to click and change it. So move to the right. Alright, leave to the left, move to the right, move to the left, move to the right. There you go. So we need the same thing, guys, to go up. We need to put it to go up. Something like that, guys. Alright, let's go up. Alright, we need to change the. We need to add some rotation styles. We add some rotation styles. All around. We can do it like this too, but let me change it. And we need to go down now. Alright, down. Point direction, change direction. left, right, up, and there. So we've made good progress, right? Let's see how it goes. Alright, I think the cat is a bit too big, so when I get started I want the cat to be a bit smaller. So this is what we'll do. We go here to events when green flag is clicked. We go to looks and set size. Let's put it at like I think 75. Should be good. Alright, I want it to be a bit smaller. Let's put it at like 60. Alright. Moving left, right. There you go. There you go. Alright guys, so now I want to create a backdrop now. I want to create a backdrop for the maze. So it's going to be pretty simple, guys. I'm not trying to make like some type of crazy fancy fence for the maze. So we just go here. I click on paint, and if I'm correct, I think it's this one. So we just get the rectangle. Put it like this. Alright, and let's do this. Alright. There you go. It's gonna be a fun game. Alright. And when we get started, alright, let's make it a bit smaller. Let's make the cat a bit smaller. See what we do. Let's go back to the code and click on this. I want to put the cat at like 45%. Alright, let me click on the green flag. Alright, and I want it to start here too. That was something I can do. You know, we need to go to motion and go to that position. Alright, let's have the cat to move around. Seems the cat is still a bit too big. Alright, that's a long game, hey, isn't it? Alright, let's put a prize at the end of it. Alright, and let's click on this so that you can see the cat is back here. Alright, so now let's add a prize at the end of the game. It's gonna be a cheese, a mouse, a fish. Let's see. Let me cheese. Let me look for cheese. I don't know if cat eat cheese. No. A fish. Get a fish out there. A little fish. Cat food. Alright, so we want the fish to be here. Oh, I don't want this. Alright, let me remove this. Yes. I want the mouse. Alright, I want the mouse. I want to reduce the size of the mouse, so I need to put some code for that too. Put a code for it, and I want to reduce the size of the mouse. Set size to, alright, there you go. Put it at 60. There you go, and I should put it there. Alright, and yeah, I can have it to put it there too. I go back to motion and from there I click on let me see, go to, voilà. Alright guys, I can get started like that. Okay, I can cross all of that. It's not what I want. I can put a condition for it, so go to that. Forever is touching the cat, so stop the game. Alright, so go here, control, I put the forever loop there. If touching the cat, if touching sprite 1, the cat, say you want, alright, say you want for 1 second, you know, and stop the game, and stop the game. Stop the sprite, stop the game, all the scripts in the sprite, and stop the game, stop all. Then you go here, put the forever loop, and if touching the mouse, alright, sensing, if touching the mouse, you run, say you run. You run for 1 second. And move the cat to that position, the position it is right now. And stop the game. Stop all. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh, I need to click here. Sorry. And I need to remove the code from this one too. See what's happening. Alright, there it is. And go click back on that and going back here. Alright guys, so that's the end of the game, so let's give it a good try now. Click here. There you go. Says you won. There you go. Alright guys, so that's the end of the game. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave some comments on what you think about the game, how it can be improved, if you can see any improvement about it. And guys, don't forget to share the video, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Alright, see you for another tutorial. Bye bye.